This is the first YouTube video. What we're doing today is we're tearing out the engine of my dad's 81 El Camino. It looks like this fucking piston and a valve got into a fist fight, and well, the piston lost. Dude, we're to the fucking part where we gotta lay on that cold ass ground. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck, you son of a bitch. So it looks like I'm the one that's gonna be laying on the cold ass ground for a while, but you know.
Are you putting music over that?
Huh?
You putting music over that?
Over what I'm recording right now?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Maybe.
You should.
Why?
Because that makes it look better.
Roller. Roller. Alright, she's out.
Alright. To Zettlers. I'm stuck. Sorry.
Appreciate you doing my truck.
Dude, I fucking Tokyo drift over here. So dangerous. I used to really fucking love Zettlers, but the problem with Zettlers nowadays is it's a little methy. You know what I'm saying?
Methy?
Like, yeah, methy. Like, you know, the aisles are kind of methy, and the people are kind of methy. The only thing that I think Zettlers is really good for is bolts. Ooh, two. Wait, what did I come here for? Bolts. I need bolts. Bolts. I need bolts. Bam. Oh, we need 4 of these. Can't fucking beat it. Where'd you get that?
There's a vending machine.
Oh, because I didn't see you paying for Sour Patch Kids.
I swear to God I paid for it.
Did you pocket those?
You watched me put them in my pocket.
No, don't turn it on.
No, I mean it.
No, don't turn it on, because then you're not going to be able to hear the audio.
That's why you put music over it.
Oh, what? No one likes to watch people work all the time. It's not fucking stupid.
Turn it on!
It's cold.
Wow, you're just a pussy that folds under pressure, don't you?
Not
You
really.
get yelled at once and you just turn it off.
I mean, I can turn it back on. I don't give a shit.
Dude, don't turn it back on.
I'll let it be warm.
Don't turn it back
I don't
on.
care. You can put music over that.
I'm not turning music over it. Dude, turn it on! Get your ass out of my shot. I think it's just right. It is busting in my face. Busting! Hey, where'd the ratchet go? Yes, that's exactly what I was looking for. Good job, Ethan.
Fuck yourself.
Dude, if I had a gold star, you'd get it. Damn it! Ah! Why that fucking hurt for no reason? Stupid ass Chevy.
Better not edit that shit out.
No, I'm not gonna edit that shit out. People like pain. They're fucking weird, alright? I'm gonna live where the green grass grows. Watch my comb pop up and rose.
Let my wife suck on my toes. Yeah, you hear a second.
Dude, you know what my favorite part about posting videos is, especially while working on shit? Everybody critiques like a motherfucker, bro. You get so many comments and shit. Okay, we got her on the stand. Now I gotta get these pistons out, run some numbers, and evaluate the damage, see what we're gonna do to it. I accidentally deleted the ending, but this is the end of the video. I'll make sure to upload it on Instagram. If you don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram already, make sure you do. And also, if you enjoyed the video, let me know. I do reply to my Instagram DMs, and I'm actually not going to do videos like this very often. I'm going to have someone follow me around, and he's going to put it together, not me. But this is just more so I can get, hopefully, a few thousand views to where I can do custom thumbnails. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If not, then fuck you. No, if you didn't enjoy it, you probably have